Welcome to WebStylePress. I shared my thoughts on three different GPT models by OpenAI: GPT-4, GPT-4o, and GPT-o1. I was brief in the video because otherwise video can be boring. I got this comment. Bruh. You don't even read the answers and compare the quality. WTF. Okay, I thought that I summed it up at the end that GPT-4 was very brief and to the point. GPT-4o provided details. GPT-o1 provided extra details that we may not need. Use GPT-4 to get quick answer. Use GPT-4o for details. If you want to write an article, book, or encyclopedia, use GPT-o1. But okay, if you need details and quality comparison, then I will provide it. This is why we are revisiting these conversations. Details are boring, by the way. You don't need to watch this video if you want to read the three conversations. There is a link in the video description. Use that to download conversations. Here, I will share my thoughts on three kind of responses for each question asked from these GPTs. We will find who is the winner. If you want to read the answers, I have shared the link. You can read the answers. The first question was, if a bat and a ball cost $1.10 together and the bat costs $1 more than the ball, how much does the ball cost? All three answers were accurate and arrive at the correct conclusion that the ball costs $0.05. However, there are differences in clarity and thoroughness. Answer from ChatGPT-4 is the briefest but lacks explanation and reasoning, making it less useful for someone trying to understand the solution. ChatGPT-4o answer provides a clear step-by-step breakdown of the reasoning, showing the equation setup and solving process. It offers a more structured explanation while still being concise. Answer from ChatGPT-o1 is the most detailed, including both the breakdown of variables and a substitution method. However, it might be slightly over-explained for this simple problem. Answer by ChatGPT-4o is the best balance between clarity and conciseness, making it the best response. The next question was, you have a 3-gallon jug and a 5-gallon jug. How can you measure exactly 4 gallons of water using these two jugs and unlimited water supply? So all three answers are correct and follow the same process, but they vary in clarity and structure. Answer from ChatGPT-4 is clear and concise, but it skips adding the jug capacities during the steps, which may require the reader to visualize or do extra work to track the water amounts. Answer from GPT-4o offers a well-organized step-by-step explanation with helpful math notes, making it easier to follow without losing focus. Answer from ChatGPT-o1 is the most detailed, explicitly including the amounts of water in each jug at every stage. While this makes it thorough, it can be slightly repetitive and longer than necessary for a relatively simple problem. So answer from ChatGPT-4o strikes the best balance between clarity, completeness, and efficiency. Next question was, if you're traveling at the speed of light and you turn on your headlights, what happens? Can the light escape the headlights? And how does this relate to Einstein's theory of relativity? All three answers accurately explain the scenario using Einstein's theory of relativity, but they differ in the terms of clarity, depth, and structure. Answer from ChatGPT-4 is comprehensive but somewhat verbose. It covers multiple aspects of relativity such as mass increase, time dilation, and the constant speed of light. But the discussion on relativistic mass might confuse readers since it's most technical than necessary. Answer from ChatGPT-4o is concise and straightforward, offering a more digestible explanation of the constant speed of light and key relativistic effects like time dilation and length contraction without getting too deep into the complexities of relativistic mass. It focuses more on the practical implications of turning on the headlights close to light speed. Answer from ChatGPT-o1 provides a well-rounded explanation with the right balance of theoretical background and practical insight. While it is detailed, it remains accessible and clear. discussing both the impossibility of reaching light speed and the behavior of light when traveling near it. However, the length could be trimmed slightly. Answer from ChatGPT 4o is the best due to its clarity and simplicity, while still accurately addressing the core aspects of special relativity. Next question was, what English word retains the same pronunciation even after you remove four of its five letters? All three answers correctly identify the word Q and explain how it retains its pronunciation after removing four letters. However, there are differences in their depth and clarity. Answer from ChatGPT 4 is concise but leaves out an explanation of the word's meaning or why this happens, which might leave some readers wanting more detail. Answer from ChatGPT 4o is similarly brief but slightly more structured, though it still lacks additional explanation that would enhance understanding. Answer from ChatGPT o1 provides the most complete response, offering a clear explanation of the word's meaning, how the pronunciation is retained, and the reasoning behind it. This makes it more informative and engaging for the reader. So answer from ChatGPT o1 is the best due to its thorough explanation and clarity. Next question was, if you could travel back in time and prevent your own grandparents from meeting, what paradox would you create, and how does this challenge our understanding of causality? All three answers correctly explain the grandfather paradox and its implications for causality, but they vary in depth, clarity, and brevity. Answer from ChatGPT 4 is detailed and covers various theoretical interpretations like the many worlds hypothesis and block universe theory, offering a thorough but somewhat lengthy explanation. While informative, it might overwhelm readers with too much detail for a basic question. Answer from ChatGPT 4o is more concise and clear, focusing on the core elements of the paradox while still mentioning key resolutions like the self-consistency principle and multiverse theory. It strikes a good balance between depth and readability. Answer from ChatGPT o1 is the most comprehensive and provides an in-depth exploration of both the paradox and potential resolutions. It includes more theoretical frameworks and philosophical considerations, but is quite long for a brief response, which could detract from its accessibility. So answer from ChatGPT 4o is the best for its clear and balanced explanation without unnecessary complexity, making it the most effective response. Our last question was Fibonacci sequence in JavaScript. All three answers correctly explain how to generate Fibonacci sequence in JavaScript, but they differ in clarity, efficiency, and variety. Answer from ChatGPT 4 uses a simple recursive function, but it lacks efficiency, especially for large values of n, and the explanation hints at performance issues without offering alternative methods. Answer from ChatGPT 4o provides a concise iterative solution which is more efficient than recursion for large inputs and outputs the Fibonacci sequence directly. It's simple and well suited for most use cases. Answer from ChatGPT o1 goes above and beyond, offering multiple methods like for loop, recursion, while loop, generators, array manipulation, and memoization. This makes it the most comprehensive, allowing readers to choose based on their needs, but it might overwhelm someone looking for a quick solution. But answer from ChatGPT o1 is the best due to its variety and depth, offering options for both beginners and advanced users while covering various use cases. So ChatGPT o1 wins twice and ChatGPT 4o wins 4 times. ChatGPT 4 was behind these two. So in my opinion, winner is ChatGPT 4o. There you go. I will provide the links in video description where you can download all three conversations. Alright, I hope it helped. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.